Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually create a child theme. Or for example, you have a blog of child's, kids, or whatever it is. You can find the theme of your category that you want in WordPress. Also, you can find it in other websites, but I will show you everything in this video, so keep watching it. So first of all, as always, please make sure that you have opened your dashboard. To do so, go to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there you have to put your username like that and password. I've already made about 5 videos about all these dashboards and how to create your account, all these sections. I explained everything detailed, so make sure to watch them to be familiar with everything we do in this tutorial. So now let's get into it. First of all, let's go to Appearance. Here in Appearance, you will find the theme that you are working on right now, which is for us, or for me, 2019. Now, to go add new, and let's write something like baby, and here we go. Here we'll find a lot of template that will work for the category or the word that you want. For example, kids. Now let's install this one, and let's wait for it to be installed. And here we go. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, here we go. Now we activate it, and right after we activate it, what you will have to do is, let's wait first some seconds. Alright, it's doing a job. We're waiting for it. Okay, it's taking too much time. Right, it's loading for me. Okay guys, so we don't waste any time. I will pause the video, or I will click again. Alright, I will pause the video and we'll come back to you guys right after it will be activated. So here you can see guys, the theme has been updated. So if we click in here, you will find everything about the theme. If we click on it from, for example, here, and you can also customize, you will find this page, and the theme will be changed to that. You will have all your pages. Of course, you can go pro to have all the elements that you can see them in this page. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually get a baby or a child theme appearance in your WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.